Alright, great to have you here. My name is Marcel, and with this breathing technique, we are breathing in for 4 seconds and breathing out for 4 seconds. Starting now. In. Out. In. Out. I also invite you to close your eyes and follow my voice and my breathing. Just let go of everything that's on your mind right now that is keeping you back from being right here, right now, in this moment. And trust yourself, because you are so great. With every breath, feel that deeper connection to your own body. And welcome yourself with a smile on your face. In. Out. In. Out. 3 last times of in and out before we go into a breath hold. In, out, and fully in. Take a few more sips through your mouth and fully let go of your breath. And we hold our breath now. Trust yourself. I know you can make it. And be fully here in this moment. Everything else can wait. Ten seconds left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fully breathe in and hold it for a few seconds. Move your body a little bit and fully breathe out. Come back to your regular pace of breathing. And we start our second round now. In, out. In, out. Feel how the element of air is gifting you such beautiful energy. And with every breath that you give to the trees so they can provide back to you. How beautiful is that? feel your own roots that reach into the ground by connecting your feet to the earth, and your spine that lets you stand tall and be there for yourself. Three last breaths before again we go into a breath hold. In, out, in, out, and fully in. Few more breaths through your mouth. And let go. We hold our breath now for 60 seconds. You might feel some tingling. And that's fully alright. Enjoy feeling so alive. If you feel that you'd like to take a breath in, that's okay. Just take a breath in, release, and come back to holding your breath. But it's only 15 more seconds from now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Deep breath in. Hold for a few seconds. And breathe out. Come back to your regular pace of breathing. And thank you so much for being here and showing up for yourself. Until next time. Hey, yeah.